fast am Boden und dann wieder kurz.
Ja.
Aber hat geklappt, oder? Okay, auf der Landung. Ich musste auch nochmal backtracken, damit es ausgeht und der andere dann von der Parken.
Alpha 110
Is at 4905, number 1, descend with a profile, next report Mike Kilo 522. Next report Mike Kilo 522, descending with the profile, thank you, 4905.
Habe ich gestern im Facebook gelesen, Selektion bei TUI inkludiert, dass du im Roadrouter ILS fliegst und dann mitten im Roadrouter fragen sie dich, dass du deine persönliche Telefonnummer rückwärts aufsaugen sollst, während du den Roadrouter fliegst.
Rückwärts?
Ja.
Visual departure, after departure, left turn directly at flight level 80, the Falcon 901. Salonica 3901, wind 350 degrees, 25, maximum 32 knots. Runway 34, clear for takeoff. Runway 34, clear for takeoff, the Falcon 901. Behind, follow me car, taxi to Alpha
2.
1 and hold short of the runway.
Behind and follow me, taxi to Alpha 1, short of the runway.
Left clear?
Right is clear.
Taxi is on.
Achso, der geht davon aus, dass die VistaJet den Backtrack hinten macht.
Ja.
Okay, right, sounds good.
My brakes, check your brakes.
My brakes, check your brakes.
My brakes.
Mikonos, Καλημέρα, Lima Kilo 302 Hospital, 33 JMK from your station, radial 134, 7,000 feet.
Lima Kilo 302, maintain 7,000 feet. Report 20 DME from Mike Kilo November.
Wilco 20 DME from Mike Kilo November, Lima Kilo 302 Hospital.
Taxi by Alpha 1, enter backtrack line up, runway 34.
By Alpha 1, and I'm backtrack 34. So, quick. Okay. Brauchen wir das nicht mehr. Taxi checklist. Brakes. Checked. Takeoff brief. Right in seat. Takeoff completes on the APU. 744 clearance clock. Thank you.
Walk correct, report fully ready.
Oh, welcome. Yeah. Normal, slightly left turn out, initially level 80. Normal modes will be enough, and vertical speed. Any performance, we follow the SID with enough and flight level change with the speed of max 147. And in case of go around, going straight, in case of windshear, going straight, windshear warning, just don't touch everything, just climbing out. Windshear caution, you watch the AOA if you're going down. If you go down, just pull up to the stick shape, close to the stick shape.
Slowly and carefully.
Yeah. Good, taxi complete.
Takeoff checklist above the line.
Above the line. Cabin.
Ja.
Secure. Ignition is on, transponder TCAS, TA, RA and TL at the moment. Above, weather radar is on, and ATIS flight director is engaged. Above the line complete.
Lima Kilo 302, ένα estimate για το Varix.
Stand by, please.
Because soft static max factor.
8 και 12 για το βάρινγκ στο λίμαν Μαχίλο 302.
Λήφθη. Ευχαριστώ.
Να είστε καλά, τώρα προσεγγίζουμε 20 διαβία από το σταθμό.
Ελήφθη και θα πάτε μέσω Ripley ή Νίτσα.
Έχουμε clear direct care. Είστε εντάξει με αυτό?
Ναι, είναι μια χαρά για το επίπεδο, διατηρήστε το επίπεδο 70. Στη Μύκονο είναι 7.011.
7.000 με QNH 1011 για την ΚΕΑ το λιμάνι Πλακίου 302.
Ready?
On final 8 miles, 495. Vista 495, continue approach.
It's ready.
Cleared on Kia 1 Sierra 6,000 feet, QNH 1011.
Kia 1 Sierra 6,000 feet, QNH 1011.
Wind 350 degrees, 31, maximum 39 knots, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 34.
Takeoff checklist below the line.
So wind count on the ice. Off. Windshield window heat is on low. Probes are on. CAS.
Takeoff configure okay.
Takeoff configure clear. Runway heading is checked and takeoff clearance.
Obtained.
Ready.
New brake clear controls.
Controls.
Prince Martini on the...
Elistar
Yep.
01, report airborne to Oscar. IFR traffic on final
ATS
from Media to Oscar, 1,000 feet, QNH
Brakes release. Check
1011.
takeoff thrust.
Takeoff thrust is checked.
Airborne inbound to Oscar 1000 feet, QNH 1011. Elistar 01.
Hopper 04,
80.
remain
Check.
on the ground, blue bus. I will advise in 3 minutes after the departure and then the upcoming arrival, in about 3 minutes. Hopper 04.
V1, rotate. Positive rate.
Remain
Clear
on
up.
the ground.
Enough.
Enough.
And vertical speed.
Vertical speed.
Vista Jet 495, wind
Autopilot on.
350 degrees,
Autopilot on.
29er, gusting 39er knots.
Careful, speed.
Windshear. Windshear. Windshear.
Alles lassen. Also runter.
Maintain 1,000 feet, IFR traffic on final, do not affect, report Oscar.
1500, positive rate, speed.
Autopilot on. Let's see what's going.
Autopilot on. Roll.
Enough.
Enough.
Vertical speed.
Vertical speed.
And vertical speed is going 2000.
Okay. And the Mikonos, for your information, at approximately 1,500 feet we had a negative wind shear.
With that, which intensity?
Maximum intensity.
190 start.
Copy. Continue climb, flight level 80.
Continue climb, flight level 80.
Speed increasing, flap 0. After takeoff.
Lima Kilo 302, maintain 7,000 feet.
What's your
Proceed
set?
direct
Transfer
gear.
leads APU. Flight thrust. Speed 250.
Elistar 01, when able, estimate to Santorini.
Ignition.
Off.
Elistar 01,
Ignition
report,
on.
estimate to Santorini.
After takeoff checklist, landing gear lever up, flap 0, thrust reversers off. Climb thrust set, please transfer, APU is off. CAS, ignition, APR arm. Pressurization checked, after takeoff checklist completed.
Set standard. Passing 5-7. Now.
Standard set checked.
Alpha Victor time 04, QNH 1011, push and start approved, facing north.
Momentum with intensity.
Yeah, decreasing or increasing performance.
Contact, please change your squawk 7743.
Squawking 7743.
Ewan, with the new squawk, contact Athena approach 132-975.
Contact Latina approach 132.975 and just to clarify we had a decreasing Windshear, so decreasing performance.
Copy. Copy that.
One to go. Athena approach, good day. Kia 10, passing flight level 77, landing flight level 80.
Yassas, almost over Bismo, 8,000 feet identified, present heading, land flight level 140.
Land flight level 140, on present heading.
Heading selected.
Planox 23 Juliet Golf, turn right,
40,
heading 080,
speed.
descend to 9,000 feet, QNH on 014.
Hat doch ein bisschen länger dauert, gell? Hat sich geklappt.
Ja,
Also, war schon 5
aber der Autopilot fliegt nicht raus.
Mir ist rausgeflogen.
Ja, den habe ich ausgeschaltet.
Also hast du? Ne, vielleicht gleichzeitig dazu.
Ja, gut.
Nee, das war sogar ein Monitored Disengagement, weil ich habe dann noch Autopilot drücken müssen, weil er hat ja weiterhin...
Ja, ich habe dann auch nochmal gedrückt gehabt, wo es nie aufgehört hat. Auch zur gleichen Zeit gedrückt.
Z251, descend to flight level 140.
Flight level 140, descend to 51.
Er hat zwar den Trendvektor gehabt nach unten, aber die Speed ist nicht zurückgegangen.
Ja, bei mir war es so ein bisschen... Und beim Takeoff habe ich gewartet, weil das hast du richtig gemerkt, wie dann die Rotation Speed wieder nach vorne gegangen ist und dann wieder zurück.
Scandinavia 68 Romeo, turn left heading 180, speed 230.
Noch ein bisschen sitzen, hat jetzt der Stundenzeit.
Approaching 100, climb checks. Speed 270.
So, time to place plugs on engine, APU off, ignition.
Planox 23
Ja, auf.
Juliet Golf,
Passenger signs on for the moment. Ich mache mal den Timer für das. Pressurization is checked, altimeter is
Standard set and that was checked.
set in project, that altimeter 107. Now